Key, co-founder of Dropsy Protocol, which is a new lightweight airdrop solution built on Solana, built for Solana ecosystem, which it is a community-driven protocol for creating trustless, transparent airdrops on Solana. Today I walk you through what Dropsy is, why it matters, and how it works. Let's first see who's building Dropsy. This is me. I am the co-founder. I co-founded Dropsy after a year of deep analysis of Solana protocols and the most needed things on Solana blockchain. I've stayed behind the scenes focused on delivering clean and solid infrastructure. And this is my friend. He is a backend developer that just joined me in this trip. We are working together to make Dropsy the most powerful protocol on Solana. So why we are building Dropsy? We built Dropsy for many reasons. The first reason is the explosion and surge of tokens launched on Solana with growing communities. The second reason because airdrops are the most powerful incentive in 2025. Projects for crypto projects or Web3 projects need actually a scalable, trustless ways to reward their users and their communities. And we want Dropsy to be the essential infrastructure for effective on-chain baked token rewards. So why Dropsy exists? So Dropsy wasn't built just to exist. It was born from problems, the kind every founder or community manager in crypto has faced. So problems are the most problems here are complex infrastructure. So you need to build a smart contract. Cost prohibitive. It costs a lot to send tokens manually. So opaque verification. So most of centralized tools are based on centralized verification. It's not on chain, so it's very old, and there is no airdrop toolkits, so you can't actually use another protocol in your website or with your script. That's why Dropsy is here. So it allows everyone to create airdrops without building a smart contract. You don't have to write any Rust code. Dropsy shifts claim cost to users. So that's wonderful thing. It will save you a lot of money. And it's also, oh, let's come back. What? Yes, it's also use Merkle proofs and bitmaps for fast and on-chain verification, and that's very important. We have also a plug and play SDK, and we are working on a no-code builder for fast integration. So let's see how Dropsy works. So one of the key parts of how Dropsy works under the hood is with PDAs or program derived addresses on Solana. So we have the master account where we're storing some constants to be used in the protocol and to be able to upgrade and update for any reason later, and also states account where we store our analytics, how many airdrops created, how many controller, how many closed airdrops, and how many bitmaps created. That's all. It's about analytics. We have the controller. So the controller, it's a PDA derived from the user address and program address. So uh, with a seed phrase, it can be created by anyone. It can be a creator, protocol owner, platform. It can. It's The reason why they created a controller is to get some fees, is to earn some fees. So you can create a controller, and in any way you can ask for others to create their airdrop using your controller, because whenever you want to create an airdrop, you will need to provide a controller address which will control your airdrop, and you will pay their fees to create airdrop. So it's a decentralized um, money making machine. You can create your own controller. They will be limited and their price will be dynamic. Their fees to create a controller there will be dynamic, so as fast as you create your controller you will be creating it with a cheaper price. So we will deep dive in this later, and this is our most used program instructions. Let's see. To create a controller you need to provide your controller V's. I mean here I was an error. Set the controller fees. So you set a controller fees to get uh, to earn from the airdrops created using your controller, and this is a create airdrop. So whenever you want to create airdrop you need to provide um, a Merkle tree root. So we won't store full Merkle tree, so it just for minimize the range. We only store the root, and then you have to deposit your tokens to an associated token accounts owned by airdrop PDA. And the third instruction here is to claim tokens. So whenever a user try to claim their tokens from an airdrop, he needs to provide their Merkle proof and index. Index used for bitmap verification. So to avoid duplicate claim, and also to verify if it's eligible eligible or not. And here is close airdrop. So when an airdrop ends, user can close their airdrop and reclaim their soar rent. So this is all about. We might deep dive later in how everything actually works. So let's walk through the market opportunity. So we have seen surge in token launch, especially on Solana. 1.2 million SPL tokens in April alone. So that was a huge. Each are needing a distribution tools. So we keep in mind that airdrops are the most incentive way in 2025. Despite all this growing demand, devs developers still rely on custom scripts or centralized tools to run airdrops, and that's a little bit old. So, Dropsy, it will be the first open source airdrop protocol with on-chain verification and modular logic with a developer-friendly SDK and API. We are working harder to make this achieved. And our long-term vision is to become the decentralized infrastructure layer for Solana on-chain distribution, incentives, and community growth. We really imagine a future where creators, protocols, DAOs can seamlessly launch their airdrops and reward campaigns. Developers can easily plug into Dropsy via powerful APIs and SDKs to build their own reward-based products on top of our protocol, and users can earn tokens access by contributing to the ecosystems, not just speculating on them. This is our vision for Dropsy. And here is a quick and clear short roadmap. So we started in 2025 in the first month. We started with the core smart contract development, and after that we have been testing our protocol locally, and we made some change upgrades to the protocol before the definite public testing. We're still actually making some changes and upgrades before the final mainnet launch, which will be in the fourth quarter of 2025. We are here actually in third quarter, where we are building our community, and we're trying to public testing on DevNet. In the fourth quarter, we are looking for the DAO initiation and the mainnet launch, and early in 2026 in the first quarter, we are looking forward to reward our main community with our Dropsy token, which will be in the first quarter of 2026. And to reward our community and incentive them, we have set 300 million of 1 billion, which is the total and the max supply of Dropsy token. We set 30% to be allocated to community, and this is how our reward program works. Many criteria. This is the Telegram activity. Now our tracker bot is under development, so your activities on our group and channel in Telegram will be tracked through our tracker bot, and there is some sprint quests on daily. We might integrate another platforms for sprints and quests, but for now we are focusing on daily, so you can complete your social mission and rise on the leaderboard. There is some community contests that will be created, maybe weekly or monthly. We're still discussing those things, so it can be like art contests, memes, videos, and contents. So also you can earn by testing our DApp and our protocol You can report bugs and uh, refer your friends or referring new users. So all this will be converted into diamonds, diamonds. So and diamonds will be converted into your allocation of Dropsy token. So rewards will be distributed in phases to incentivize long-term contribution. And this is my best part. So this is a sneak peek of what our community is saying, their feedbacks. I really feel good when I see like this those feedbacks. It's encouraging us to stay polished and do our best. So thank you and thank you so much. And it's time to thank you. So special thanks to all of you and thank you for watching full video. Together we're building a future where airdrops are transparent, decentralized, and driven by the community. We are open to feedback, collaboration, and support. You can check out our website dropsy.xyz and our DApp at app.dropsy.xyz. We have an announcement channel on Telegram, Dropsy-protocol, and Dropsy XYZ is our community group. You can follow us on Dropsy Protocol X, and you can follow our co-founder so you don't miss anything in X as MBK Official 01. And thank you very much.